Hi sir, my name is Arian Forex Ilakbao from BSIT 3E, and this is the activity to redesign your partner's app prototype. And dito po sir, ito po yung management system ni Mr. De Los Santos, a movie rental system. So, after na prototype, this is the login. Once we log in, ito po yung dashboard overview niya. And ito po yung navbar. We have the menu, home, movies, customers, rent, and return. And sa page po na to, parang ang natignan ko po kaagad is like, ito pong menu, then home, parang same function po siya. So, tatanggalin ko po to. Then, second na nakita ko po is nadoble po yung buttons. Like, ito po movies. Dito po yung movies. The title, genre, here, price, status, and you can also edit. So, balik tayo sa dashboard. Of the customers, the name, contact, email, total rentals, and also the rent, the customer, movie, rent date, return date, price per day, and ilang days po siya na i-rent. Then, this is the total amount. And as you can see po, parang nadoble po siya dahil dito. Meron din po siyang buttons, manage movies, manage customers, rent movie, and return a movie. So, parang same din lang po siya pero nadagdag lang po. So, on my redesign, tatanggalin ko po siya. And also, we have e-reports on the most rented movie, top customers, and total income. And the logout button, functionable naman. Yes. And this is the management system of Mr. De Los Santos. And ito po yung na-redesign ko. And let's open it. And dito po sir, parang sa login niya na on Mr. De Los Santos, wala po siyang mostly an icon or pictures to see. Kulang po siya ng infographics. So, inad ko po yun para mas makita kung ano yung nire-rent na movie. Kumbaga. So, login. So, this is the dashboard. You have the total movies, total customers, active rentals, and also the revenue. And in the dashboard, makikita mo din yung mga recent rentals. Yung Avatar na movie na rent ni Gerald Javier on October 10, tas due date niya is October 15. And the status is overdue. So, next, we have the movies. And ang ginawa ko po sir is hindi ko na po siya nilagay sa navbar. Ginawa ko na lang po siyang sidebar para maganda yung sakop ng mismong dashboard or kung anong nasa navbar po. Then next is the movie. We have a Avatar, Inception, Dark Knight, and the customers. Makikita po dito yung mga customers. Ito po si Gerald Javier, Lawrence Giliarte, John Valerina, and Mark Reynald. And so, from rentals naman po, sir, makikita po dito yung na-rent na. This is the active rentals. Ito po yung overdue. Then also the reports on ilan na po yung total rentals, total revenue, then ilan po yung overdue returns. And ito po yung rentals over time. And yun lang, mostly po ang dinagdag ko is infographics, mga picture ng movies, and redesign the dashboard, kung paano siya nag-flow. Yun lang, sir. Then, we log out. Then, log out na ako. I can't access now, so login again. So, this is the redesigned version of Mr. De Los Santos management system.